If you want the ultimate home theater experience, a 4K Blu-ray player is a must. With stunning picture quality, rich colors, and high-fidelity sound, these players bring your favorite movies to life like never before. In this video, we'll be looking at the best 4K Blu-ray players available right now. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Magnetar UDP900. The Magnetar UDP900 is a premium 4K Blu-ray player designed for home theater enthusiasts who demand the absolute best in picture and sound quality. Built with high-end components and precision engineering, this player delivers an exceptional viewing experience with support for 4K Ultra HD Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG, ensuring stunning contrast, deep blacks, and lifelike colors. At its core, the UDP900 features a rigid, all-metal chassis that minimizes vibrations and interference, resulting in crystal-clear playback. Its advanced dual power supply system separates digital and analog circuits, reducing noise and delivering pristine audio performance. Whether you're watching movies or listening to high-resolution audio, the UDP900 is designed to impress. For audiophiles, this player supports SACDD, VV Audio, FLAC, and DSD formats, ensuring that your music sounds as good as it was intended. With XLR balanced outputs, dual HDMI ports, and dedicated coaxial and optical outputs, connectivity options are extensive, making it an ideal choice for high-end AV setups. Performance-wise, the UDP900 delivers fast disk loading and a user-friendly interface, giving you a smooth and seamless experience. Unlike budget players, it's built to last, offering reliability and precision playback for even the most demanding home theaters. If you're looking for the ultimate 4K Blu-ray player with reference-quality video and audiophile-grade sound, the Magnetar UDP900 is one of the best choices available today. Number 4. Panasonic DP-UB9000. The Panasonic DP-UB9000 is a reference-class 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player designed for cinephiles and audiophiles who demand the highest level of picture and sound quality. With a premium aluminum chassis and high-rigidity structure, this player minimizes vibrations and interference, ensuring the purest playback experience. At the core of the DP-UB9000 is Panasonic's Hollywood Cinema Experience HCX processor, which delivers stunning 4K visuals with precise color reproduction, deep blacks, and lifelike contrast. It supports HDR10 plus Dolby Vision and hybrid log gamma, HLG, optimizing every scene for breathtaking clarity and dynamic range. Whether you're watching the latest blockbusters or classic films, this player brings them to life like never before. For audiophiles, the DP-UB9000 offers high-resolution audio playback with support for Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and high-res formats like FLAC, WAV, and DSD. It features dedicated audio circuitry, high-end DACs, and isolated power supplies, ensuring studio-quality sound. The inclusion of balanced XLR and RCA outputs provides flexibility for high-fidelity audio setups. Connectivity is top-tier with dual HDMI outputs, optical and coaxial digital outputs, and support for network streaming apps. Built in 4K, upscaling enhances standard Blu-rays, ensuring everything looks crisp and detailed. Priced around $1,200, the Panasonic DP-UB9000 is the ultimate choice for those who want cinema-grade visuals and audiophile-level sound in one high-end package. If you're serious about home entertainment, this is the 4K Blu-ray player to own. Number 3. Microsoft Xbox Series X. The Microsoft Xbox Series X is a powerhouse gaming console designed to deliver stunning 4K visuals, ultra-fast performance, and immersive gameplay. With a sleek, monolithic design, this console is built for both power and efficiency, offering a seamless gaming experience for casual and hardcore gamers alike. At the heart of the Xbox Series, X is its custom AMD Zen 2 processor and RDNA 2 GPU, delivering 12 teraflops of power for true 4K gaming at up to 120 FPS. This means ultra-smooth frame rates, breathtaking, ray-traced lighting, and incredibly fast load times, thanks to the 1 TB NVMe SSD and Xbox Velocity architecture. Whether you're exploring open-world RPGs or competing in fast-paced shooters, the Series X ensures lag-free, visually stunning gameplay. Backwards compatibility is another major highlight, allowing you to play thousands of games from Xbox One, Xbox 360, and even the original Xbox, many enhanced with better performance and higher resolutions. Plus, with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you get instant access to hundreds of high-quality games, including day-one releases from Xbox Game Studios. The console also doubles as a 4K entertainment hub, supporting Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and a built-in 4K UHD Blu-ray player for an incredible multimedia experience. Number 2. Panasonic DP-UB820. If you're looking for a high-performance 4K Blu-ray player without the premium price tag, the Panasonic DP-UB820 is a standout choice. It delivers stunning picture quality, impressive audio performance, and a solid range of features that make it perfect for any home theater setup. The DP-UB820 supports 4K Ultra HD Blu-rays, along with R10, HDR10 plus Dolby Vision, and Hybrid Log Gamma (HLG). Thanks to Panasonic's advanced HCX processor, it offers incredible color accuracy, deep contrast, and sharp detail, bringing movies to life just as the director intended. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or an old classic, the visuals are consistently breathtaking. But it doesn't stop at visuals. The audio performance is equally impressive. The DP-UB820 supports Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, delivering an immersive, theater-like sound experience when connected to a compatible sound system. It also features Aries audio playback for audiophiles who want the best sound quality possible. Beyond physical discs, this player offers built-in apps for streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube in 4K HDR, making it a versatile media hub. The Panasonic DP-UB820 also features dual HDMI outputs for separate audio and video paths, ensuring the best possible signal quality for both. Number 1. Sony UBPX700. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 4K Blu-ray player that doesn't skimp on performance, the Sony UBPX700 is an excellent choice. Compact, sleek, and powerful, this player delivers stunning picture quality and a range of features that make it perfect for any home entertainment setup. The UBPX700 supports 4K Ultra HD Blu-rays, along with HDR10 and Dolby Vision for vibrant colors, deep contrast, and incredible detail. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or an old favorite, the picture quality is consistently sharp and lifelike. The player also upscales standard Blu-rays and DVDs to near 4K quality, so even your older discs look better than ever. Audio-wise, the UBPX700 supports Dolby Atmos and DTS:X for an immersive, theater-like sound experience when connected to a compatible sound system. It also handles a wide range of audio formats, including high-res audio, ensuring crystal-clear sound for music lovers. Beyond physical discs, this player offers built-in Wi-Fi and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video in 4K, making it a versatile addition to your media setup. With dual HDMI outputs, you can separate audio and video signals for optimal performance, especially in more advanced home theater systems. Priced at around $249, the Sony UBP-X700 offers incredible value, delivering premium picture and sound quality at an affordable price point. It's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater without breaking the bank.